So today we're going to make a stand for the forge to rest our pieces on that come out of the forge right here, and have something right there to rest on. So found this. It was an old bench out of a pizza shop. I got a couple of them. I was using them for like wood racks, but I went and picked this up today. We're gonna cut this tubing up and see if we can make a stand out of that. I have a pretty cool idea. Put the bandsaw blade on the new Bauer there, and dude, it's pretty sweet. Ready to install the base. Got the piece all cleaned up. Gonna center it, level it, and then we're going to tack it on there. Then we'll go ahead and run the beads. Have my wire speed way down. I guess I gauged the steel wrong, but those ones are pretty good for me, so I'm not a welder. So there's that adjustable wrench I was talking about, and here's kind of what I'm thinking. Like, that's the base, right? Here's the tubing. I'm going to drill a hole there and put a piece of rebar and a bolt where I can like adjust it. It's going to look pretty cool. So it's going to look something like that. It'll hold the pieces right here anywhere I want. Like I said, my friend Jeff has like pretty much the same thing, kind of stealing his design, but yeah. Which is really cool. And this has got a little stand now. It's awesome. Adjustable. Really high or all the way down. And actually, if I need to make it any lower, I can just cut this down, or I can cut the pipe down. Either one doesn't really matter. It's probably the lowest I want to go anyway, so I think it's pretty cool. So let's get the tap and die and get that tapped. So I'm about to drill a hole, and I'm going to use that set there. I've had that set for a long time. Does a good job. So we're going to stick it right here. I think that's something that we won't have to reach super far down. We're going to put a bolt through. It'll pretty much hold against this piece, our adjuster. And then the idea is to take a piece of rebar, or 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch stock, something big, put it right here as a turn. So that way I don't sit there and like adjust the bolt with any kind of a wrench or anything like that. You just you know what I mean? Like, we'll just create a little handle. So you're going to want to take some oil. I got just regular old 3-in-1. Turn your drill down to the slowest setting that you can, and just take it nice and easy, nice and slow, and don't shoot your bit. Just like that. I just found some bolts I already had, some grade 8 bolts. They happen to be labeled, so I found the corresponding thread pattern here, and we're going to tap that real quick. And there we go. That's all tapped out. Clean it up a little bit, and now our bolts should fit right in. Sweet. Okay. Awesome. Now we just need to take a piece of rebar and weld right there, and we'll have a little adjuster. Pretty cool. This is pretty sweet. So if I want to raise it up, adjust it, it's right here. Crank it down. Adjustable. If I want to lower it, adjustable. Come on, that's pretty slick. Slick, 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 man. Set this up right in front of the forge. Have it, guys. And like I said, if you want to, you can take it over to the pipe vise. One side will be clipped, one side will be clipped on this, you can cinch it on that, and it'll be a pause in your twist. So you'll twist that side, twist this side, and this will make that little pause, that little thing that everyone's always after.